We've all had that feeling. You spend 20 minutes crafting the perfect prompt in Suno, you hit that generate button, and you wait. The audio comes back and it's not quite what you were looking for. Maybe the drums are too loud or the vocal style is just a little bit off. In the old days of Suno, that was a dead end. You either lived with the mistake or you burned another set of credits to try again. It felt less like making music and more like using a vending machine. You put your money in and you take whatever falls out. But the new Suno Chat feature has officially ended that era. And today, I want to take you through in demonstration why this is the most important update Suno has ever released. We're not just going to prompt a song, we're going to direct one. And the best part, in this Suno Chat feature's workflow, we're going to do all the heavy lifting, changes, and for absolutely 0 credits, until we proceed with generating the result. Enough talk, let's get into it. If you look at the sidebar, you will see this new option named Chat Beta. Click on that. And if you don't see this Suno Chat feature right now, don't worry. Suno might be rolling this feature out for other regions soon, probably prioritizing the premier users. And here, the interface looks simple. You've got a clean, focused chat bar right in the center, and below left, there's a plus button for uploading or recording your own audio, or importing tracks from your library. But see that auto button? We are switching that off. If you leave auto on, Suno behaves like it always has. It takes a guess and generates audio immediately. But by turning it off, we enter the collaboration stage. This is where Suno stops being a vending machine and starts being a producer who actually listens to you. So let's get started. Let's go into the chat box and type something in. Now, notice that Suno doesn't start playing music right away. Instead, it has generated a complete set of lyrics and mapped out the vocal style. Below the lyrics, the AI actually talks back to us. Suno confirms the lo-fi hip-hop request with a rainy cafe ambiance, even asks a follow-up question. Notice the chips, or quick action buttons at the bottom, too. In addition to answering the question, we could instantly choose to make it darker and moodier, or add vinyl crackle, with one click. This is a free back and forth. I love the lyrics as they are right now. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and ask Suno to make it more cinematic. Next, it asks us where the movie moment should happen. From the given choices, I will tell Suno to have the peak moment at the hook. By choosing this, I'm telling Suno to save the biggest energy for the chorus. And notice how the AI interprets that. Bigger drums, thicker Rhodes chords. I think it's all good to move forward, so let's proceed with creating the song. And here we are. Let's listen to the result.
The gentle autumn rain wash the world in gray. She wanders through it softly in her quiet way. Girl sits by the window with a book and tea, warm light in her eyes, deep as the sea. Watching raindrops falling on the glass all night, her hair shines gold under cafe lights.
That is great. The slow drums build the atmosphere perfectly. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's say I'm looking at this lo-fi blueprint and I realize I want something with more bounce. So now we want to change the entire soul of the song. Usually, you'd have to delete your prompt and start over. But watch this. I'm typing. The AI's response is the breakthrough. It acknowledges the shift, and with its response, I'm going for a more bouncy, faster pace with even more drum swings.
The gentle autumn rains wash the world in gray. She wanders through it softly in her quiet way. Girl sits by the window with a book and tea, warm light in her eyes, deep as the sea.
That is so good. Think about that. We just completely rearranged the DNA of a song. We swapped the drums, the bass, and the singer's entire personality. Now that we have the reggae soul foundation, let's add a specific hook. I want a signature instrument to lead the track. I'm telling the chat, I love that. Now let's add a bouncy, bright trumpet intro for the first 8 bars. The vocals should wait and only come in right after that trumpet hook finishes. And here we go.
The gentle autumn rains wash the world in gray. She wanders through it softly in her quiet way.
This is structural control. I'm not just asking for a trumpet. I'm telling the AI when to play and when to be quiet. This level of arrangement used to be a gamble. Now it's a direct instruction. To finish our blueprint, let's give it some professional studio polish. I want that spacey reggae feel. I'm typing, it's just like real-life chatting with a human being. Now watch how specific the AI gets. It doesn't just say okay to my request for an echo. It asks a professional-level follow-up question. Want those delays to smear into the trumpet gaps or stay tucked behind the band? I'm going with smear into gaps. By choosing this, I'm telling the AI exactly how I want the space in the song to feel.
Gentle autumn rains wash the world in gray. She wanders through it softly in her quiet way. Girl sits by the window with a book and tea, warm light in her eyes, deep as the sea, watching raindrops falling on the glass all night.
You don't need to be an audio engineer to do this. You just need to know how you want the song to feel. Okay, so we flipped genre, introduced a trumpet solo, and added dub space for vocals. Now, let's try changing the lyrics. In the intro, the third line says, she wanders through it softly. Let's say I want to change only this particular line, so I will just type in the idea I have. Suno acknowledges the change request and proceeds with creating the new song.
The gentle autumn rains wash the world in gray. The steam from coffee rising in her quiet way. Girl sits by the window with a book and tea, warm light in her eyes, deep as the sea, watching raindrops falling on the glass.
That is the power of the Suno Chat feature. Before this update, Suno was like a lottery. You'd hit a button, spend your credits, and hope for a win. But now with this new chat feature, you are the director. The chat is your producer. The engine is your band. Stop rushing to the generate button. Spend 5 minutes talking to the AI. Pivot the genre. Choose your movie moments. Decide how the echoes should smear. Do it all for free until that blueprint is a masterpiece. If this walkthrough helped you unlock a new way to work, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into AI music tools that are actually changing the way we create. I'll see you in the next session.